Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a profile photo in Google Meet. Okay, to change the profile photo, we need to be in the home screen of our Google Meet. Now click on your profile in the right corner and now click right in here to change the photo. Now you need to simply add the profile picture by clicking Add Profile Picture. In here you have suggested photos. You can pick between all of those that are on that list. There's a lot of them. You can also click on the Google Photos and add some photos from your Google Photos, or you can click on From Computer and you can click Upload from Computer. Now, for example, select Pictures and add a picture from your from your computer, or you can take a picture if you have your camera connected. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.